Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 20 block, which is the hunters and gatherers. Yes. So, in this, we have learned how early humans were hunters and gatherers and how they used to paint the caves. Isn't it, children? So, in the third topic, we are going to learn the tools, clothes, shelter, and beliefs of early humans. Okay, so please open your social content book, children, and turn to page number 126. 126. Okay, so if you see the tools, children, they used to use the stones to do their work. Okay, they used to use the stone to dig the ground to collect the roots. Okay, they used to use the stone for cutting the meat because they used to eat the raw meat, isn't it, of the animals. So they used to use the stone itself, and sometimes they also used to tie the stone. Here, can you see here, children? So they used to tie the stone to a stick to hunting also. To do the hunting also they used to do. So mostly they used stones in different ways to do their work. So stone was the main tool. Actually, children, this is not there. Fire was not there at that time. Okay, so they used all different types of stones, or sometimes they used to make the stone sharp by rubbing against another stone, and they used to use the stone for all the purposes. Okay, sometimes they made the tools with the help of bones of the animals also. Okay, so they used to use the stones, and after slowly they started using the bones of the animal. So can you see here, this is the bone of an animal which they shaped like a tool. Okay, children, next, coming to their clothes. So they used to wear the barks of the tree like this is the bark of a tree, and these are the leaves of the tree, and this is the skin of dead animal. So with these they used to cover their bodies, they used to protect their bodies. Okay, now we finished with tools, clothes, and shelter. They used to live in caves. We have seen the cave paintings, isn't it, children? So they used to live in the paint caves, sorry. And coming to their beliefs, so now we pray to different gods, isn't it, children? For Lord Rama, Krishna, Jesus, Allah, Buddha, everybody, Mahavir. Yes, all these gods we have. Now we believe according to our religion. But earlier times, people used to worship the nature. Okay, they used to worship the nature. They did not go to church or temple. At that time, they did not have any mosque or church or temple. No, but they worship the nature. And what do you mean by nature? Sun, water, forest, soil, the earth. They used to pray these things. Okay, they used to worship the nature. Okay, children, so these were the beliefs of the early humans. Okay, and why did you think they prayed nature, they worshipped nature? Because they used to depend on the nature to have their food, shelter, or clothing. Okay, shelter in the caves, that is rocks. From where did you get? From the nature. They are eating meat, they are hunting animals and eating meat. Where you will get? From where you are getting animals? From the nature, isn't it? Berries, fruits, all these food is coming from the nature, isn't it? That's why they prayed the worship the nature. Okay, clothes, the leaves, the skin of the dead animals, the barks of the trees, all these from where they are getting? From the nature, isn't it? So they are collecting the things from the nature, isn't it? So that's why they worship the nature. Okay, so these are the beliefs of the early humans. Okay, children, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork and underline in your content book. And if you find any other difficult word, you can add it in your keywords. Okay, next, coming to your question answers. Why did early humans use stone tools? Because to hunt animals, they used it for chopping meat and to dig the roots from the ground. Okay, children, that means they used to have carrots, isn't it? Carrot where it grows under the ground. To dig that ground, they used to use the stone. Why? Because there was no other tool they found. Okay, from stones only they started using and making different tools. Okay, children, write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question. Early humans depended on nature for almost everything they needed. Explain with the examples. So you can take the example of food. They ate fruits, roots, nuts, which are from the tree, that is from the nature. Clothing, they wore the animal skin or the barks of trees or the leaves of the plants, that is from the nature. And coming to the shelter, they used to live in the caves, which are in the hills, that is also from the nature. That's why they depended on nature for almost everything. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 3, page number 22, S3, Life of Early Humans. Okay, so in the next class, we'll learn how they discovered the fire. Okay, children? How early humans discovered the fire. Okay. So see you in the next class, children. Bye.